Welcome to Mohan classes. In this video, we are going to talk about the probability. This is for 10th standard part 2 video. Already part 1 video we have been released. Those who are all not seen the part 1 video, kindly go through the link provided in the description box. Then come back to this part 2 video. Let us start. So before going to start the worked examples, let us see how to write the space samples for the experiment. Here dice, let us go with the first coin. Two coins were tossed. Two coins were tossed or two times. So that means coin means there will be head and tail, right? Two times are two coins. So 2 square, that is equal to 4. So 4 will be the number of samples, right? So here 4 means we have to write 2H and 2T. So in this half of it means 2, right? 1H and 1 tail. Here also 1H and 1 tail. This is H. So head, head, tail, head, head, tail, tail, tail. So these are all the 4 events. Will be the total number of possible events. Okay. Suppose if it is 3 coins were tossed, means how you will write? 2 to the power of 3 is equal to 8. Therefore NS number of samples will be, so here 2 means 4. Half of it 4, you write 4H. Here 4 tails. And then here it is half of it 2. H and then tail, tail. Here also H, tail, tail. So again here it is, after that we are having 2, right? That means H, tail, H, tail, H, tail, H, tail. So these are all the 8 outcomes. So what we did, first 8 means we have to write 4H here and 4 tails. So after 8 we are having 4, right? In this 4, what is half of it? 2. So H, T, T. H, T, T. Then here into what is the half of it? 1. So H, tail, H and T. That is head and tail. Similarly, head and tail, head and tail. Like that. So like that we have to going on writing it. What about the dice? Suppose 2 dice were rolled. 2 dice were rolled means, or 2 times. So dice there will be 6, right? 1 to 6. So 6 square is equal to 36 events will become. So NS is equal to, we have to write 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 6. And then 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 6. Like that. 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 6. You write means you will get 6 into 6, 36 events. So for suppose if it is 6 to the power of 3 means we have to use the permutation to find the value, because it is not possible to write 216, right? 6 cubed is equal to 216 will come. So it is not possible to write the sample size. 216 by using permutation we can find the number of samples. Okay. So what about here we are going to talk about playing cards. So how many cards will be there in a pack? There are 52 cards in a pack, right? So in that 52, red will be 26 cards and black will be 26 cards. In red, what are all the things we will have? Heart and diamond. Here, clubs and spade. So in heart, what we will get? First ace we will have, after that 2 to 10, and then jack, queen, king. For diamond also, ace will be there, and then 2 to 10 numbers, and then jack, queen, king. Here also clubs we will have ace, 2 to 10, jack, queen, king. In spade also we will have ace, 2 to 10, jack, queen and king. So these are all called face cards. So how many face cards will be there? 12, right? Face cards will be 12. Aces will be 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 4 aces. So after 14, how much will be at? 38 number cards will be there. Then total will be 52. Okay? It is very, very important. You must know what is face card and what is ace, how many aces will be there, like that. Suppose if you want to find the probability for 26 cards, means there are 3 times. 3 cards were taken randomly from the pack of red cards, means what? 3 cards. So NS is 3 times. And then what till total possibilities? Total possible outcomes is equal to 26, because it is red, right? So therefore, what is the probability? This probability we will come as 3 by 26. This is the probability for a red card. Suppose if it is a face card for red, means red face card 2 times they are taking. So that means NS is equal to 2, and how many red cards will be there? Face cards, 3 plus 3, 6, right? Therefore, the probability we will write it as 2 by 6, that is equal to 1 by 3. Understand? So like that we have to do. Let us do some sums, then you will understand how we have to do. Let us start. So here it is given that a group of 3 students, the probability of 2 students not having the same birthday is 0.992. What is the probability that the students have the same birthday? So here what they have given? They have given the not. Okay. So the 3 students, okay, the probability of 2 students not having the same birthday. What is the probability that the students have the same birthday? How to do that? So first we have to write what is P of not E, right? P of not E is equal to 0.992. Now what you have to find out? We have to find out P of E. Okay. What is P of E? P of E is equal to 1 minus P of not E. So that is equal to 1 minus 0.992, right? So that is equal to 0.008 is the answer. A bag contains 3 red balls and 5 black balls. A ball is drawn at random from the bag. What is the probability that the ball, red ball and not red? So here also, so how many red balls in the bag? Red ball is equal to 3 and then black ball is equal to 5. Therefore, what is the total balls? Total balls is equal to 3 plus 5. So there are 8 possible outcomes from the bag. So what he is taking? He is taking red ball, right? So red ball means what is the probability of red ball? Probability of red ball. That is P of red ball. P of red ball is equal to what? 3, right? 3 divided by 8. This is the probability of red ball. Not red means P of not red means 1 minus 3 by 8, right? So that is equal to 5 by 8. Understand what we did? Not red means like this. P of naughty. Here P of red ball is equal to 3 by 8 and P of not red ball is equal to 1 minus 3 by 8. That is equal to 5 by 8. Understand? Let us move to the next. So here in a family of 3 children, calculate the probability of having at least one boy. So here at least one boy. So that means at least means minimum one boy should be there in the. So first we have to write what is the NS. First we have to write what is the NS. There are 3 children. So there may be 3 boys or 2 boys, 1 girl, or there may be 2 girls, 1 boy, or sorry, 2 boys, 2 boys girl, 2 girls and 3 girls. Right. 3 boys, there may be 3 boys, 2 boys and 1 girl, or 2 girls and 1 boy, or understand? So this is the probability of the, these are all the chances. So there is a 4 chances of outcome. So now what you have to do? At least one boy. At least one boy means at least one boy. So what is at least one boy? Here we are having one boy. Here also we are having boy. And here also we are having boy. So that is 3. Okay. Therefore, what is the probability? It's equal to 3 by 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 4 possible outcomes is 4, but the actual outcomes is 3. So 3 by 4 is the probability. This can be written as P of the event is equal to 3 by 4. Understand? So what about here? A card is drawn at random from a well-shuffled pack, 52 playing cards. Find the probability of getting neither a red card nor a queen. So here neither a red card nor a queen. We will take it as let A is equal to, this is the probability what we have to find out, neither a red card nor a queen. Okay. So what is that? That means 1 minus red card or a queen, right? 1 minus P of here neither red card or a queen. So what is 1 minus red card or a queen? 20. Red card, how many red cards will be there? 26. Okay. And then red card nor a queen. How many queens will be there? 4 queens will be there. But here, one more thing, that here nor a queen, right? The probability of getting red card nor a queen. So that means queen should not be there. So there will be 2 queens, right, in red card. So we have to minus the 2 queen. So what you will get? 1 minus here divided by 52 will come. 1 minus 26, 30, 28 by 52. That is equal to 24 by 52. If you are simplifying it, what you will get? 24 by 52, right? 12 by 26, that is 6 by 13. So the probability is P of A is equal to 6 by 13 is the answer. Understand what we did here? Find the probability of getting neither a red card nor a queen. So how many red cards will be there? 26 red cards. So, and then how many queens will be there in four queens will be there, na? Total. Minus 2 red queens, we have to, 2 black queens we have to take, because neither red should not be there, right? So 2 red queens we have to remove it. So the 28 by 52, 1 minus 28 by 52. Here it is, what we are getting? Not A. P of not A only we are finding. A here it is not A. So P of A is equal to 6 by 13. Okay, clear? Let us go to the next. Here, cards marked with numbers 3, 4, 5 up to 50 are placed in a box and mixed thoroughly. A card is drawn at random from the box. Find the probability that the selected card bears a perfect square number. So here, first we have to write the number of samples. That means possible outcomes. How you will write? First, so how many numbers will be there? 3, 4, 5 up to 50, right? So that means 48 will be there, right? From 3 to 50 we will get 48. Total outcomes. Total will be 3 to 50, we will get 48. Then perfect square from this 3 to 50. So what are all the perfect square? Perfect square number is this is the space samples, right? Perfect square. So what are all perfect square? We will get 4 is a perfect square, and then 9. After 9, what is the perfect square? We will get 16. After 16, 25, and then 36, 49. So that means what will get n of s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total will be 6. Therefore, what is the probability? Probability of the event is equal to 6. Here 48 is the total possible outcome, right? 6 by 48, that is equal to 1 by 8. This is the answer. Understand what we did? First we have find the total possible outcomes. 3 to 50 there will be 48. So what is the condition they given? Find the probability that the selected cards bears a perfect square number. So from 3 to 50, what are all the perfect square numbers? 4, 9, 16, 25, 36 and 45. So what is the total outcomes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So ns is equal to 6. This is the space sample. So this is the probability. This is the favorable outcomes. ns is the favorable outcomes. So this is possible outcome. Total means it is a possible outcome. So ns is a favorable outcome. So 6 by 48 is equal to 1 by 8. Okay. Now here, two different dice are rolled together. Calculate the probability of getting an even number on both dice. So here we have to 2 times, right? So that means total 36 will be the total possible outcomes. 36 will be the total possible outcomes. Okay. So here we have to find out what is ns. So what is ns? So only even numbers, right? 2, 2, and then 2, 4, and then 2, 6. And then what else we will get? 4, right? 4, 2, 4, 4, and then 4, 6. After that, you may get 6, 2, 6, 4, and then 6, 6. So these are all the favorable outcomes. NS is a favorable outcomes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? So 9 ways. Therefore, P of even numbers, right? Let us write like this, then only you will understand. P of even numbers is equal to what? 9 divided by 36 is the total possible outcomes, right? So 36. That is equal to 9 ones are 9, 4 nines are 6. This is 1 by 4 is the probability of the even number. Okay. Now, here two coins are tossed simultaneously. Find the probability of getting at least one head. So here we have to get at least one head. So first we have to write NS. So actually 2 times, right? 2 to the power of 2. So that is, this is the total possible outcomes. Now we have to find the favorable outcomes. NS. NS is equal to, what I told, it is 4 means we have to write 2H and 2 tail. So here H, here tail. Here H, here tail. So these are all the 4 outcomes. So here, what is the question? Find the probability of getting at least one head. So what is the number? P of at least one head. We have to find out. What is at least one head means? How many we have to? Here we are having 1, 2, so 3. Therefore, probability of at least one head is 3 divided by 4, right? Understand? So first we have to write the possible outcomes and then sample space. The sample space is the actual output what we are going to get. So this divided by, okay. Now 3 coins are tossed simultaneously. Find the probability of getting exactly 2 heads. So how many times there will be 2 heads? So here it is coins 3 times. So what is the total possible outcomes? 2 cubed, right? That is equal to 8. So now we have to find out what is the space sample. NS is equal to, it is 8 na. First we have to write 4 heads and then 4 tails. So after that you have to write, out of 4 you will get 2, right? 2 head and 2 tail. Here also 2 head and 2 tail. After that 2 out of 1. Head, tail, head, tail. Here also head, tail, head, tail. So what is our question? Sorry. Here find the probability of getting exactly 2 heads. So exactly 2 heads where we are getting, here we are getting exactly 2 heads, here we are getting, and then here we are getting. So how many times we are getting exactly 2 heads? 3, right? Therefore P of exactly 2 heads is equal to 3 divided by 8, right? 3, it is 1. Here we will get 1, here we will get 1, and here we will get 1. So we are getting 1, 2, 3. So 3 divided by 8. So 3 by 8 is the answer. Clear? Let us move to the next. Here a card is drawn at random from a pack of 52 playing cards. Find the probability that the card drawn is neither an ace nor a king. Or a card is drawn at random from a well-shuffled pack 52 playing cards, find the probability that the drawn card is neither a king nor a queen. So these two are the same question in different form. So the answer will be 1. How to do it? Here, neither an ace nor a king. So P of neither an ace nor a king. How we will write? P of neither an ace or king, right? That is equal to 1 minus P of an ace, right? P of ace plus P of king. So that is equal to 1 minus P of ace means what? How many aces will be there? 4, right? So 4 by 52. And then here also 4 kings will be there, na? 4 by 52. So that is equal to 1 minus 8 by 52. So 1 minus 8 by 52, how much you will get? 44 by 52. That means 11 4s are 4, 13. 11 by 13 is the probability of the above. For these two questions, the answer will be the same, 11 by 13. Here, a card is drawn at random from a well-shuffled pack 52 playing cards. Find the probability that the drawn card is neither a jack nor an ace. So here, P of total number of cards. Here, what is the total number of cards? Here also total number of cards, 52, right? Total number of cards is equal to 52. Number of jacks. Number of jack is equal to 4 and number of aces will be 4, right? Now, call neither a jack nor an ace. P of neither a jack nor an ace. Here also not we have to find out, right? So that is equal to what it will get? 52 minus 4 minus 4, right? Divided by 52, right? So that is it. Here also you will get 44 by 52. That is equal to 11 by 13 is the answer. Okay. So that's it. Yeah, one more sum is there. Here, two different dice are tossed together. Find the probability that the number on each die is even. Then the sum of numbers appearing on the two dice is 5. So here we have to find out 2. How we will do that? First so two different dice. So what is the total number of possible outcomes? 6 square, right? Total number of possible outcomes. Six square, that is equal to 36, right? Okay, the first one is the number of each die is even. So that means what are all the possible ways? 2, 2, same what we did before. 2, 4, and then 2, 6, and then 4, 2, 4, 4, 4, 6, and then 6, 2, 6, 4, 6, 6. There will be, how many you will get? 9, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So P of number of each die is even. Number on what you will get? 9 divided by 36. That is equal to 1 by 4. What about the other one? The sum should be 9. So how we will get n of s is equal to what? It is for second. N of s is equal to what you will get? 2, 3. You will get after that what you will get? And then 3, 2. And then 1, 4. And then 4, 1 we will get. That's it, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, P of what we have to find out? Sum is 5. Sum is 5 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 divided by 36. That is equal to 1 by 9. That's it for the day. If you like this video, kindly share it to your friends and give your likes and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.